Alright guys, in this video we're going to go over how to always show the top row or the couple top rows or any other information you want to see while you're scrolling. So what we have here is we have a ranking of baby names, and if we scroll down, we have our ranking on male names, quantity of those names in the year, female names, quantity of those names in the year. We scroll down and we no longer have that data at the top. We don't know what is what. Now in this it's relatively easy to tell because it's a simple sheet, but these could be other factors. These could be employee names and identifications, department IDs, and things like that, and it could get really kind of confusing when you're down here and you keep having to go up and see what column you're looking at, what information that is. So we're going to show you how to split the view so you can always see these top two. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to go up to View, and we're going to click on Split. It's going to create these crosshairs, more or less. We're going to grab the center of it, and we are going to go right now just up to the top left, right under the yellow area here. And that, what it does is it splits the view. So what we can do is we can click down here, and you see double because you have two views here, and you can actually scroll both views if you click in there and scroll. But when you start scrolling down, these will stay there, so it's easy, you know exactly what you're looking at. Now, this can also be used not only for rows but for columns. So if we hit split again, it goes away. If we hit split again, we could put that, let's say, here. So if you were actually scrolling to the right on a longer column, you could always see the ranking, let's say, whatever this first column is or second column, depending on where you put it, next to all your other data while you scroll left and right. So that's how you do it for left and right, and that's how you do it for up and down. And to turn it off, just go up and hit split again. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We make these videos for you guys, so if you enjoyed it, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for us and let us know we're doing a good job. If you hated it, give us a thumbs down. If you loved it, give us a thumbs up. I appreciate it.